I'm here to talk to you today about how to keep code consistent among developers. When developing an app, API, or even scripts that automate cloud architecture, everyone wants clean, consistent code. From the clients and stakeholders to the developers themselves. Who knows, there may even be a development team that inherit the project further down the line. In an ideal world, we want code to have come from one super developer, or even better than that, a clone of super developers, one who absolutely knows everything and writes everything efficiently. Unfortunately, this can't be the case. One, we're only human, no one's Superman, we all make mistakes. Two, time constraints make it impossible to finish with one sole developer working on a project. Three, as a team of developers, everyone's knowledge, experience and opinions differ from one person to the next. For example, one developer's implementation of something may not necessarily be the best approach. And four, technology to clone humans would just outweigh the cost of the project itself, and it's not yet legal. So with a team of developers, how do you keep code consistent throughout the project? There are many tools and processes that are out there right now that we can use to do this. Some of them are done through automation to enforce consistency or simply to take the burden off the developers themselves. Others are done manually. The first tool is the use of virtual machines to make sure that a project is developed with identical runtime environment configurations. This makes the development for a specific server or database consistent among developers and throughout a project. The second is the use of a package manager to ensure developers use the same libraries and versions to one another. The third tool is the use of static code analysis tools, a tool that examines the code before it is ran to check that for potential errors, or formatting and validating the code against a set of rules configured by the team as a collective. This can also be enforced by another tool called Git hooks. This enables the development team to write scripts that automatically run as they commit their work to source control providers such as GitHub. Any errors will stop a developer from pushing bad code back to a repository until they pass the scrutiny of the scripts. The fourth one is a manual process, but a very powerful one in terms of ensuring the consistency among developers. It can be used as a forum to debate implemented logic and methodologies used, plus structure and practices going forward. This process, of course, is the use of code reviews. This methodology ensures everyone involved with the project has their say about the written code before it's merged to any of the main code base. Automation is a powerful thing in the development world. However, it's only as powerful as you configure it. So if you're thinking about using the following steps suggested in your project, make sure you give it the time to get the output that you require. And I promise that you too can keep code consistent among developers.